There are moments when your home feels more than just a place to live. It can feel heavy after a difficult day, tense after an argument, or simply filled with an energy that you cannot explain. In such moments, do not immediately try to fight what you feel. Instead, pause, breathe, become aware of the space around you, and remember that peace begins with your own state of mind. One simple practice you can use as a mindful ritual is salt. Salt has been used across many cultures as a symbol of cleansing and purification. While there is no scientific evidence that salt removes invisible negative energy, using it as a meaningful ritual can help you slow down, reset your attention, and create a peaceful intention for your home. Take a small bowl and place a little ordinary salt inside it. Hold the bowl gently in your hands and take 3 slow breaths. As you breathe in, imagine welcoming calmness into your heart. As you breathe out, imagine releasing tension, anger, fear, and unnecessary worry. Then place the bowl near the entrance of your home or in a quiet corner. As you do this, say softly, "I release what no longer serves me. I welcome peace, kindness, clarity, and positive energy into this home. May everyone who enters feel safe, respected, and at peace." Do not say these words with desperation. Say them with awareness. The power of the ritual is not in believing that a bowl of salt can magically control your life. Its deeper value is in reminding you that your attention, behavior, words, and intentions influence the atmosphere you create. A peaceful home is not created by objects alone. It is created by the way people speak to one another. It is created when anger is replaced with understanding, when judgment is replaced with patience, and when fear is replaced with awareness. After placing the salt, open a window for a few minutes if practical. Let fresh air enter. Clean a small area of your home. Remove something you no longer need. These simple actions can become a physical expression of an inner decision. I am making space for something better. Remember, you do not need to wait for a perfect day to begin again. Every morning gives you another opportunity to choose peace. Every evening gives you another opportunity to let go. If your home has felt heavy lately, begin with yourself. Lower your voice. Slow your thoughts. Speak gently. Forgive where you can. Set healthy boundaries where you must. And let your home become a reflection of the peace you are learning to cultivate within. The salt is only a reminder. The real transformation begins with awareness. When you change the energy of your mind through calm thoughts and compassionate actions, the atmosphere around you can begin to feel different too. So tonight, if you choose to perform this simple salt ritual, do it not from fear, but from intention. Place the salt. Take a breath. Release what you cannot control. Welcome what brings peace. And remember, a peaceful home begins with a peaceful moment, and that moment can begin with you. Salt as a symbol of cleansing. Use a small bowl of salt as a mindful symbol for releasing stress, negativity, and emotional heaviness from your home. Salt has been regarded in many cultures as a symbol of cleansing, purity, and renewal. When you use salt as part of a simple home ritual, the most meaningful part is not the salt itself, but the intention you bring to the practice. Your home absorbs many moments throughout the day: conversations, laughter, stress, arguments, worries, celebrations, and quiet thoughts. Sometimes, after a difficult period, a room can simply feel uncomfortable or emotionally heavy. A small ritual can give you an opportunity to pause and consciously reset. Take a small bowl and add a little ordinary salt. Hold it calmly for a moment and take 3 slow breaths. With every breath, bring your attention back to the present moment. As you breathe in, imagine welcoming calmness, patience, and peace. As you breathe out, imagine releasing tension, frustration, fear, and unnecessary thoughts. You can then place the bowl near the entrance or in a quiet corner of your home. As you do so, say a simple affirmation such as, "I release what no longer serves me, and I welcome peace, harmony, kindness, and clarity into this home." Remember that this ritual is a symbolic practice, not a scientifically proven method for removing invisible negative energy. Its value comes from mindfulness and intention. The The salt becomes a physical reminder of your decision to create a calmer environment. When you consciously choose peaceful thoughts and compassionate actions, you begin changing the atmosphere around you. The ritual simply helps you remember that every day you have the opportunity to begin again, release what weighs you down, and make your home a place of greater peace. Release negative thoughts and emotions. Take 3 slow breaths and consciously let go of anger, worry, fear, and anything that no longer serves your inner peace. There are times when a mind carries emotions that we do not even realize we are holding. A stressful conversation, disappointment, financial worries, fear about the future, or unresolved anger can remain inside us long after the moment has passed. When these emotions accumulate, they can affect the way we speak, think, and interact with the people around us. Learning to release them is an important part of creating inner peace. A simple salt ritual can become a gentle reminder to let go. Before placing the salt, stop for a moment and take 3 slow, comfortable breaths. As you breathe in, imagine creating space inside your mind. As you breathe out, consciously release one worry at a time. You might silently say, "I release fear." With another breath, say, "I release anger." Then, "I release what I cannot control." This does not mean ignoring real problems or pretending that difficult emotions do not exist. Letting go means recognizing what you feel without allowing that feeling to control every thought and action. Some situations require communication, boundaries, forgiveness, or practical solutions. Inner peace does not come from avoiding problems. It comes from meeting them with a calmer mind. As you place the salt in its chosen location, imagine leaving unnecessary emotional weight behind. Let the bowl represent a boundary between what you can control and what you cannot. Then remind yourself that tomorrow does not have to carry every burden of today. You can learn from yesterday without living inside it. You can acknowledge your feelings without becoming trapped by them. The true cleansing happens within your awareness. The salt is simply a symbol of your decision to release, reset, and make room for greater peace. Release negative thoughts and emotions. Take 3 slow breaths and consciously let go of anger, worry, fear, and anything that no longer serves your inner peace. There are times when a mind carries emotions that we do not even realize we are holding. A stressful conversation, disappointment, financial worries, fear about the future, or unresolved anger can remain inside us long after the moment has passed. When these emotions accumulate, they can affect the way we speak, think, and interact with the people around us. Learning to release them is an important part of creating inner peace. A simple salt ritual can become a gentle reminder to let go. Before placing the salt, stop for a moment and take 3 slow, comfortable breaths. As you breathe in, imagine creating space inside your mind. As you breathe out, consciously release one worry at a time. You might silently say, "I release fear." With another breath, say, "I release anger." Then, "I release what I cannot control." This does not mean ignoring real problems or pretending that difficult emotions do not exist. Letting go means recognizing what you feel without allowing that feeling to control every thought and action. Some situations require communication, boundaries, forgiveness, or practical solutions. Inner peace does not come from avoiding problems. It comes from meeting them with a calmer mind. As you place the salt in its chosen location, imagine leaving unnecessary emotional weight behind. Let the bowl represent a boundary between what you can control and what you cannot. Then remind yourself that tomorrow does not have to carry every burden of today. You can learn from yesterday without living inside it. You can acknowledge your feelings without becoming trapped by them. The true cleansing happens within your awareness. The salt is simply a symbol of your decision to release, reset, and make room for greater peace. Create a peaceful home through your actions. Remember that true positive energy comes from patience, gentle words, understanding, forgiveness, cleanliness, and healthy boundaries. That a peaceful home is not created by a ritual alone. It is created through the small choices you make every day. The way you speak, The way you respond to difficult moments, the way you treat the people around you, and even the way you care for your surroundings can influence the atmosphere of your home. A bowl of salt may serve as a symbolic reminder, but your actions are what truly shape the feeling of the space. After placing the salt, take a moment to look around your home. Is there something creating unnecessary stress? Perhaps there's clutter that has been ignored, an argument that needs a calm conversation, or an old habit that continues to bring tension. Choose one small thing you can improve. You do not need to transform everything in a single day. Clean one corner. Open a window and allow fresh air into the room. Put away something that has been left out. Speak gently to someone you care about. If there has been a misunderstanding, approach the situation with patience instead of immediately reacting with anger. Creating positive energy is also about learning when to establish healthy boundaries. Peace does not mean allowing everyone to treat you poorly. Sometimes protecting your peace requires saying no, stepping away from unnecessary conflict, or choosing not to participate in harmful conversations. When you practice these things consistently, your home can gradually become a place where calmness feels natural. The environment begins to reflect the mindset of the people living within it. Let the salt remind you of this simple truth. Peace is not something you find only outside yourself. You cultivate it through awareness, patience, compassion, and wise choices. Your home becomes peaceful when the people inside consciously choose to create peace. Make the ritual a reminder of inner transformation. The salt itself is not magic. Its deeper purpose is to remind you that lasting change begins within your own mind, intentions, and daily behavior. The deepest meaning of this simple ritual is not found in the salt itself, but in the transformation that begins within your own mind. It is easy to believe that changing the outside of your life will automatically bring peace, but lasting peace usually begins with the way you think, respond, and understand your experiences. The salt can simply become a reminder of that inner journey. Whenever you see the bowl, let it remind you to pause. Take a slow breath and ask yourself, what am I carrying today that I no longer need? Perhaps it is an old resentment, unnecessary worry, disappointment, jealousy, anger, or fear about something you cannot control. You do not have to solve everything immediately. Sometimes the first step is simply recognizing what is weighing on your heart. Then choose a healthier response. Instead of reacting immediately, give yourself a moment of silence. Instead of holding on to an argument, consider whether peace is more valuable than proving yourself right. Instead of constantly worrying about tomorrow, return your attention to what you can do today. This is where the true transformation begins. You become more conscious of your thoughts, your words, and your actions. Slowly, the atmosphere around you can change because you are changing the way you contribute to it. Let the ritual be a gentle daily reminder rather than something you fear or depend upon. The salt does not need to control your destiny. Your intention is what matters. Release what you cannot change. Improve what you can. Speak with kindness. Protect your peace. Practice gratitude. And remember that every new moment gives you another opportunity to create a calmer mind and a more peaceful home.